This video will show you how to set up Conditional Status Smart Columns. Click the three dots, ellipsis, in the top right corner of the column header. In the left menu, navigate to Installed Apps, then click Add to Board to install the Conditional Status Smart Column. Next, configure status column labels. Go to Column Settings to create and edit the status labels you'll use as your workflow stages. Now let's start creating conditions logic. Click on any label to open the status column dialog, then select Conditions. Select the labels you want to add logic to. You don't have to add conditions to all of them. Add mandatory columns condition. Select what are the columns that must be filled for the status to be changed. Select the column that must be filled for the status to change. In this example, in order for the conditional status to be set to 1, the type status must be customer. When a mandatory field is not filled, logic governing mandatory fields will be activated. The user will get blocked and will not be able to proceed. Linked automation will not be activated. Let's see it in action. Apply a status with conditions. When mandatory type status is met, the logic controlling mandatory fields will be triggered, and the assigned status will be updated. When a mandatory field is not filled, the user will get blocked and will not be able to proceed. The phone column is a mandatory field to fulfill for the needs conditional status to be selected. And we'll be able to add missing data by clicking the Fill Missing Information button that allows you to input your data seamlessly and efficiently. And lastly, when a condition of assigned person is not met, the app will block users who are not assigned and do not have access to change the status. That's it. By leveraging the Conditional Smart Column app, users can expect improved project tracking and management efficiency.